Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop settings. And in this video, I will show you how to learn all Photoshop toolbar shortcut key right here in this video. In a few minutes, I'll show you how to learn all Photoshop shortcut key for toolbar only. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here from the boom tab right here. Go ahead and click on Edit tab. Then have a click on your edit tab. Then come down below right here where you have toolbar right here. Go ahead and click on toolbar. Then this is going to bump up right here. So you have access to all the shortcut key for every toolbar in Photoshop. So what you want to do here is to scroll down and then memorize as many as possible right here. If you want to quickly move to crop to right here, you just have to press letter C on your keyboard and to automatically open the dialog box. Then from here you can either select crop tool or perspective tool or slide tool or slide selective tool. So if you want to move to frame tool, you have to just press letter K on your keyboard. If you want to move to high color dropper, all these two here are represented with a simple letter high on your keyboard. So you can scroll down and see more. So for alien brush, patch tool, alien brush tool, everything is represented by J. And for brush, pencil tool, color replacement tool, and mixer tool, everything is represented by B. Just press any of the letter that relates to that particular tool on your Photoshop. It will automatically take you to the tool. And from there, you can start your work.